Have you ever wondered how much a brand new flagship smartphone costs for the manufacturer? Allow me to explain. Okay, so this video actually was a lot harder than I thought at first. First of all, there are a lot of phones in the world. Let me demonstrate that with the number. In 2020 alone, 1.35 billion phones were sold. In 2021, this number is up to 1.53 billion. And from 2007 until now, more than 50 billion phones were sold. That's double the population of Earth. And did you know we have more phones than toothbrushes? That's the fact, and you can check it. Okay, now that I share and I feel saner, how much a phone costs for the manufacturer? That's a very complicated question on its own, so let's just say how much an iPhone costs. Because Apple does not produce a ton of different phones every year, especially with different CPUs for the same freaking phone. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Samsung. I'm making a video about Exynos and how much of a scam that is. Subscribe to won't miss that. When iPhone 5s came out, the cost was $198 for parts and assembly, according to Time. The Apple iPhone 6 has cost around $200. We have a video about why flat edges are back. Make sure to check it out. The iPhone 6s came in at $211 according to IHS Technology estimate. The iPhone 6s Plus was manufactured for $236. So how much for an iPhone 11 Pro Max? And why I'm choosing this specific model? Because it's been more than a year since the announcement. People that want one brand new got one, and other people that wait for iPhone 12 to buy iPhone 11 at cheaper price got one too. So numbers are more complete. Let's go with that. The LED screen costs around $66.5 to make, while the 3-camera setup costs around $73.5. The battery is just $10-50. The memory, modem, and processors ranking about $159, and all other components plus assembly tally up to $181. So if you sum the number that I told you right now, the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max costs $490.5 to make, based on iPhone 11 teardown and manufacturing research of Tech Insight in collaboration with NBC News. So $490, huh? That means they have a profit margin around 60%. And you know, that actually is the sort of problem, because you can find this part easily on the net as I did. But the cost is not just the manufacturing cost. There is marketing, advertisement, research, insurance, labor, and more. So how much is the remaining cost? Apple had $274 billion revenue in 2020. And 59.7 billion of that was profit. An average of 48% of that revenue in 2020 was from 200 million unit iPhone that they sold. Let's do a quick math, okay? If Apple had a 60% profit margin from iPhone, that means 78.6 billion in profit just from iPhone. That's 18% more than their whole profit of 59.7 in 2020. If you don't know somehow, Apple also make profit by selling laptops, iPads, Apple services, etc. That does not add up. So because I couldn't find how much of that profit is from the iPhone, let's go with that 48% again. With some math that you can see if you are interested somehow, we can see that 3.85% of that 200 million units sold in 2020 was from iPhone 11 Pro Max, meaning iPhone 11 Pro Max had around 1 billion in profit. This model sold 7.7 million units, and that means from each iPhone 11 Pro Max they had about $130 profit, meaning 10 up to 15, or with the best case scenario 20% is profit. And one iPhone 11 Pro Max cost around $770 with every single perspective considered. This number is not perfect, but it can show you that profit is between 10 to 20% for a smartphone. Cut that out and you can sort of see how much the phone in your hand can cost. Thanks a lot for watching us until the end. If you disagree with anything, leave a comment down below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you don't, press dislike, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.